What the heck?
Look at the birdie. Can't halfway see him. Nope, can't. Or you see a little bit. That's how Jane's house. Go. Try to film these birds.
Yo, give me that! I just want to Yo!
This is not a vlog, it's just a video. I haven't did a video in a long time. So, I'm sorry for that.
We left so much trash. They trashed everyone. Look.
Yo, guys, it was a car meet yesterday. It was a car meet yesterday. Yo, there's this bronze Charger like right in front of my dad's truck. Yo, house. Well, house, same thing. Yo, it was like lit.
Bro, really?
Bro, really? How you gonna crash my dad's truck?
He
Like
put over $1,000 into this truck.
Right.
Actually, he close to almost 100,000.
Yeah.
Let me bring the
His life savings went into this truck.
y'all want some
And
pop?
you gonna hit it with that
Y'all
bike.
want some pop?
He gonna kill you. That's already enough. That's already enough.
Yeah. This is already enough.
I just said that.
This is like
Okay, Angela gonna get you one day.
No, that's not Uncle Angelo. Uncle Angelo gone. I know Uncle Kevin.
No, Uncle, this was that bat was already like that.
Where you got some of these birds though? Man, I wish you could see the birdies. There you see them now. There's a little one right beside it. What?
Was it like this?
Huh?
Yes. Was it like this yesterday? Was it like that yesterday? Look at it. Look at this. Was it like that yesterday?
No.
And that's the spot where he hit it with the bike.
I did not hit it.
That's hard. Yo, that yellow Camaro though. That thing got some pipes on that. Yeah, but it's not better than my dad's though.
Not better
Well,
than my
kinda is.
granddad's.
No, it's not.
Not better than my
Well, no,
granddad's.
it's not. No, it's not. No.
It don't got no sounds in it.
Yo, that yellow Camaro go hard though. Well, what?
I'll be cleaning the rims. Look at his compared to Uncle Angelo.
Right? That thing's
Uncle
freaking shiny.
Angelo's is so shiny. Like, I never saw rims that shiny in my life.
Right.
It's like a marble ball that gets wiped down every single day.
Mm-hmm.
A chrome marble ball that gets wiped down every day. That's how shiny it is.
Right. Man, you got a mountain.
Never was touched.
You got a freaking thing.
Hey, W.
Yo, but like, just look at the birdie. Yo, you can't really see him though. I can only see a little. Yeah, like the what?
What the sun's in and everything.
Well, guys.
You really gonna post it?
Yeah.
No, you ain't.
Yeah, for a while. I'm posting it. That's the end of the video. Bye bye.